In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Janitor AI. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Janitor AI, then click the official Janitor AI website from the results to land on the home page. Once you're on the site, we'll start with adding an image to your profile. Look to the top right of the screen and select your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Profile to open your personal page, then select Edit Profile. On the Edit screen, find the Gallery Image area. Click the gallery icon to bring up your image controls, then choose the folder icon with the plus sign to upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the image you want to use, select it, and confirm the choice. After the image appears in your gallery area, make sure to save your changes so the new photo is applied to your profile. Now let's cover adding an image while you're creating a new character. From the site's main navigation, choose Create a Character. On the Character Setup page, you'll see an image drop zone. You can simply drag and drop a picture from your desktop straight into that box, or click to open your files and pick an image manually. Once the picture is in place, complete the rest of the character prompts so everything is filled out. When you're ready, select Create a Character to publish it. Keep in mind that character creation requires tokens, so ensure you have a sufficient balance before finalizing. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly. Choose clear, well-lit images so your profile and characters are easy to recognize. Standard formats like JPG and PNG typically work best. If your upload seems slow, try a smaller file size to speed things up. Always use images you have permission to share, and avoid including any private or sensitive information in the picture itself. After saving, refresh the page if you don't see the update right away, as it may take a moment to appear. And that's it. You've learned how to add images to your Janitor AI profile and how to set a picture when creating a character using either drag and drop or file upload. Follow these steps anytime you want to refresh your look or introduce a new character with a strong visual.